I didn't have enough space, so it stopped on its own. This is why I like my game videos better. So I'll just put this together with the other one. But as I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the rain's getting harder. We're hoping for at least a Cat 3 when it gets closer to a star. So, yeah. Like, I don't know if you can see. Oh, he doesn't want out anymore. My puppy wanted out. I don't know where he went, though. So, that's just the latest on me and stuff. I wanted to make like a little series that's like season 1, episode 1. Like this would be episode 1. And make kind of a TV show series. But, yeah. So, not quite bad yet. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below saying that you wish me the best of luck. Please don't wish death upon me. I know I'm not the best YouTuber, and if you watch my videos and you just go, he's retarded, please just don't do that. If you do, I will hurt you guys. So, that's gonna wrap it up here. See you guys next time.